Science and technology has actually made life easier for we humans. Well, actually, I guess that's the primary purpose of science and technology. Now, coming down to communication, the advent of messenger apps just like Telegram, WhatsApp Messenger, Facebook Messenger, and the likes have actually made it easier for us to communicate with one another despite the parts of the world where we are in. For example, right here in Nigeria, I can easily communicate to someone in the United States of America, China, Spain, Italy, or wherever, just via my messenger apps. Actually, this is the purpose of this is one of the purpose of science and technology, making it easier for us to communicate. Now, like we all know, in different parts of the world, we have different languages. Now, one of the problems people do face while communicating via messenger chat is the problem of language barrier. So, actually, for example, if right here I'm in Nigeria and I actually want to buy goods from someone in China, and maybe the seller doesn't understand Chinese, and we are communicating via a messenger app. So the best we can do is we can actually translate our messages. Like for example, if I should type in English, he will have to translate to Chinese for him to understand. And once he types in Chinese, I will actually translate it back to English for me to understand the message that he's trying to pass. And well, Telegram has made life easier, and actually what this means that you can actually translate your messages while chatting via Telegram. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to translate messages on Telegram so that you can easily communicate with somebody despite the languages you or the person actually speak. So that's if that's what they actually want to learn. So now let's get started.
You are welcome to Blog Infotech YouTube channel.
So welcome back from that short break. So in case you're visiting this channel for the first time, Chibuzo Agua is my name and Blog Infotech is the name of this channel. It's actually a technology related channel whereby I dish out tutorial periodically. So if you want to be part of the channel, you can easily hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that I get notified whenever I release another video just like this. So like I said from the start, I'll actually teach you how to translate messages on Telegram. So now let's move to my mobile app as you can see on the screen. So the first thing I have to do is to tap on the Telegram app to open the app. Now, what you need to do to actually enable the translate feature is actually to turn on the translate feature button on. So now let me show you how to do that. For example, this is my Telegram account. So now what you have to do is to first of all look at the top left corner. You see four horizontal lines, so you have to tap on it, which will show you your account profile and various things you can actually do. So now you have to go to the settings portion, just like I tapped on it. So on the settings, all you have to do is to scroll down to the section where you find languages. So you tap on languages. Now, as you can see, originally my language on default is English language. So I believe many of you are on the same spot using English language as your default settings. But if your default language is Espanol, maybe France, Italian, or whatsoever, you can actually still follow the steps and achieve what you want to do if you want to translate other language to maybe Espanol and the rest. Now you look at the top, you see the place that said show translate button. All you have to do is to hover it on or turn it on. So automatically we've done that. And like I told you, my default language is English, which means any English text that is coming in, it won't translate it. So now if you want to add other language which you don't want the translator to actually translate, you can tap on the English and choose other languages which you don't want to translate, which simply means you understand or you speak those languages perfectly. But that's not what we want to do. So now I've selected English is my default language, which I understand, but I've actually turned on the show translate button. So now let's go to a message which I received. I actually received a message from someone who speaks Chinese, and now let's see how to translate a message. So now you have to go to the portion of the message. For example, I don't understand Chinese. Let me open the message. This is a message. He actually sent it just today, and I don't understand Chinese. So how can I reply to this message immediately or understand what the person is trying to tell me? Some people will have to like copy the message and have to go to Google Translate to translate it. But hey, you can actually do that right here on your Telegram app. Google Translate is already incorporated to your Telegram. So now all you have to do, if I want to translate this message, all I have to do is to tap on the message, not actually long pressing, just tap on the message. So you see the various menu that came up and you see the translate section now. So let's translate so I can easily understand what this person is trying to say. So I'll have to tap on translate. and it's actually translating, and you see the message has popped up. So what is actually saying, or what the message, the person is actually trying to tell me is that he said, "Hey, goodbye. I'll be in my office later, and I will call you when I'm free." So that's the message that this person is actually trying to say, but he actually typed it in Chinese, and I don't understand Chinese language. So you can see how easy it is for you to actually translate messages on Telegram. Remember, like I said from the start, all you have to do is to tap and not long press, because if you long press it, another menu will actually pop up, which will show you if you want to copy the messages or reply the message. Just a single tap is all that is needed. And but the first thing is for you to actually turn on the translate button via this portion. So if you've done that and you find this video informative enough, you can kindly still be part of the channel. Just like I said from the beginning, hit the subscribe button, also turn on the bell notification so that I get notified whenever I release another similar tutorial video just like this, all related to technology. So having done that, if you still find this video informative enough, give it a thumbs up and anticipate for my next video. So we've come to the end of this video, and like I will always say, Chibuzo Agua remains my name. And Blogging Protect is the name of this channel. So you're part of the family once you've done the necessary things I told you to do. So now all we have to do is to wait for my next video. So bye bye for now.